Hey everybody, welcome to Evan's Educational. Today I'm going to do the front pads to kick off the channel on this 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. We're just going to be doing the front brake pads today, so let's get into it. First thing I always like to do, especially when it's sitting on incline, is chalk the wheels with some wood both sides to make it safer. We'll get the jack stand set up. Get it under this frame rail. Piece of wood. I'm gonna throw this extra wood underneath there just as a fail-safe in case this jack starts to bleed down. But before I lift it off the ground, I'm gonna break these lug nuts free just a little bit. Just gonna get it up enough to get the tire off the ground. We're gonna do one side at a time, make it pretty quick and easy. Just a backup, so it doesn't need to be all the way up under there. These lug nuts, 7/8. Now that I loosen them, I can run them off with the gun. Gonna be this bolt right here, the caliper, and this bolt right here. 18 millimeters right here, 2 bolts. Can be quite a pain in the ass. you get this thing loose, this whole caliper will move. Should slide off. There we go. Pads are pretty worn down. Maybe a little bit of life, but better change them now. So I'm gonna set this up here for now. So if you're doing the rotor, this rotor will just slide right off. Slide the new one on. Simple as that. A little bit of a difference there. So, as you pull the pads out, you can slide these little guides out. Off one side, off that side. You can slide this this bracket, make it a little easier. These are going to be trashed, so however I need to get them out. These new ones to go in. See if this one's going to be just as hard. Seated. Really good idea is to coat the back where these slide, these little tangs, with some grease, some grease for brake pads. I don't have those, so we'll go without it for now. There we go. We'll seat these against the back, this part right here. pull this tab up a little bit as you push it in. To get past there. I'll go ahead and push it all the way against these pistons. Now, you may find when you put the caliper on, it's not going to slide over this rotor. Let's see how far I got it. Yep. Again, make sure these are seated all the way. We're gonna have to push these pistons back in there further. Sometimes once you've got it freed up, I'll just push in by hand. This caliper, and make sure this rotor is pushed all the way back. Oh yeah, just like that. Grab our bolts for the calipers. See if we can find it. That started. Get the bottom one in. To move it around a little bit. This bottom one's stuck. Get the tire back on, tighten the lug nuts down. I believe it's 140 foot-pounds for these lug nuts, and be the exact same on the other side. Get these all threaded on by hand first. Make sure they're not cross-threading. Threads are engaged, not locking up. Just snug them up with the gun. Do is get it to where it's just tires touching. Tightening the star pattern. Around one more time, make sure. Good to go. Drop it down the rest of the way. That's one side. Like I said, other side's the exact same. Let me know how you like the video. It's gonna be an active viewer channel. Meaning if you guys have any comments, questions, you want to see something else, you want to see something clarified, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to address everybody. Thanks for watching.